I hope you all are fine and healthy. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today in this video, I am going to discuss chapter number 5 of your GK book, that is sobriquet. Maybe sobriquet meaning you all know. Sobriquet means nickname. It can be the nickname of any person, anything or any place. So here we are going to discuss about sobriquet of famous personalities. So first is Dadabhai Naroji. Dadabhai Naroji is also known with the name the Great Old Man of India. With the name the Great Old Man of India. Why he is known with the name the Great Old Man of India? Because Dadabhai Naroji lived till the age of 91, and also he is the oldest man who was active in Indian politics as well as in Indian independence movement, in the independence movement of India. That's why Dadabhai Naroji has been awarded with the title the Great Old Man of India. So students, our next question is APJ Abdul Kalam. Next is APJ Abdul Kalam. So APJ Abdul Kalam is known with the name Missile Man of India. He is also known by with the name Missile Man of India. Why APJ Abdul Kalam is known as Missile Man of India? Because of his involvement. Because of the involvement of APJ Abdul Kalam and because of his work, he is known with the name Missile Man of India. See, APJ Abdul Kalam was involved in the development of Indian missiles like Agni, Prithvi, Akash. That is why APJ Abdul Kalam is also known with the name the Missile Man of India. Now third is B.R. Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as Father of the Constitution. Father of the Indian Constitution. Why Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution? See, because he wrote the Constitution of India. Because our Bharatiya Samvidhan is written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, that's why he is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. And one more important thing about Bhimrao Ambedkar is that he belongs to Dalit family. Now what is Dalit family here? Dalit means untouchable. Who is known as untouchable means who is categorized as untouchable or the broken people of the society, means the you can say very lower class of the society. And Bhimrao Ambedkar worked a lot. He had fought against the social evils in order to eradicate them from the society, and mainly he worked for the right of the Dalit people. Like you can say that he fought against the untouchability and the caste restriction in order to protect the right of the Dalits. That's why he is also known as Masiha of the Dalits. So next is Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel is also known with the name the Iron Man of India. Why Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India? Because of his strong opinion, and also because of his involvement in the integration of India. Here the word integration means unification, you can say. Okay, unification means combining. Because Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel persuaded almost every princely states in order to accede to India. Now see, princely state means the state which are governed by the prince. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as I told you, he worked for the integration of India. Okay, he is famous also for integration of India. Integration means he persuaded the princely states to come to India and to become a part of India. Okay, that's why he is also known as unifier of India. So why Iron Man? Iron, as you know, iron is very strong. Similarly, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has strong opinions, because of which he is known as the Iron Man of India. So next is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. So Sarojini Naidu, she also is also famous by the name. She is also called by the name Nightingale of India. Nightingale of India. Nightingale of India. And also she is called by the name. She is also famous as a Bhartiya Kokila. Okay, Bhartiya Kokila. Why so? Because of her contribution. Because of the contribution of Sarojini Naidu in poetry. Because of her contribution in poetry. Because she wrote a number of poems in English, and also she is famous for freedom fighter too. So Sarojini Naidu is known with the name. She is known with the name Nightingale of India and Bhartiya Kokila. So next is Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai is also known by the name Lion of Punjab. Lion of Punjab. Why is known by the name Lion of Punjab? Because he played a significant role, a very significant role in Indian independence movement. And also he gave a tough fight to the Britishers. Though his strong determination and clear vision, he was also popularly known as the Lion of Punjab. Because of strong determination, he is known as the Lion of Punjab. Says Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He is known by the name Frontier Gandhi. He is known by the name Frontier Gandhi, and also he is known by the name Badshah Khan. Why Frontier Gandhi? Because he was an independence activist. Activist means any person who actively participate in social or political issue, or you can say who work for the society. Why he is known as Frontier Gandhi or independence activist? Because he worked a lot in order to end the the rule of British Raj in India. And also people saw in him a mirror image of Gandhi. Hence his name is Frontier Gandhi. So next is Mahatma Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Some call him Mahatma because of his great soul. Some call him Bapu, and mainly he is known by the name Father of the Nation. So Mahatma Gandhi known by the name Father of the Nation. Because he was the maker of India. He was the maker of modern India. And also it was only because of Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhiji, that we got freedom. That's why Mahatma Gandhiji is known by the name, he is known by the name Father of the Nation.